Hi there, my name is Christy Ashcraft from Christy's Leads. I was doing some research in our area and I came across your company and I just thought I'd shoot you this quick video to help show you guys kind of how your competition is doing online and show you how they generate traffic, which turns into good leads and good clients. If you're interested in learning more after this video about Christy's Leads and how we can help your company grow, then reach out, give me a call, a text, or an email. And if not, you're not interested, no harm, no foul. Hopefully you can take some of the tips I've used and I've shown you and use them yourself if you'd like. So if you could give me some feedback at the end of the video, that would be great. Just let me know if it was helpful or not. All right, so what I actually did was I couldn't find your website. I just typed you guys in directly, Aspire Kitchen and Baths or Warminster. I saw that there were multiple Aspire Kitchen and Baths throughout the country. So I typed you guys in. You are listed right here, which is awesome. It has your phone number, your address, your website. When I clicked on the website, however, I couldn't find it. So maybe there's something going on there. You guys had one. Something's not connected right. Or maybe it just was never there. I'm not sure. But I did see you guys were on Angie's List, and you had, let's see, some photos on here, which are great. Shows you the categories that people are searching you for and such. A little about as well, which is nice, and I'm sure Angie is bringing you some customers. Then I just Googled searched kitchen and bath remodeling, Montgomery County, PA, and this is what I'll go over with you. There are paid ads at the top of Google. And these are customers, or these are businesses, I'm sorry, that pay to be placed here. Some people nowadays have ad blockers on their internet, and they don't even see these because the ads have become so overwhelming. Most people, though, do see them. Some people don't click on them just because they don't click on ads. I will say that most of the clicks come from these businesses right here. This is called a map pack, and these are where most people are clicking. It's just most accessible. On mobile as well, it shows you where the location is, and it usually gives a website and directions. Really easy to find. So in order to rank high in here, these people they have lots of citations, these companies. Your citation is your name, your business name, your address, and your phone number, and how many directories that's mentioned in across the internet. So directories are things like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, things like that. Anywhere that allows you to post your business name, address, and phone number, the more you have, the better. What we would do is just go into here, see what citations they have, and get more. Use the ones they have, and then get some more. It's pretty much that simple. It just takes a lot of time to do. Then you go down underneath the map pack here, and you usually have your Yelps, your houses, your Angie's List, and such. These are the companies that are ranking organically. So like this company is ranking organically without any ads right here, but you can tell they're also spending ad money up top as well, I believe. Yeah. So they're ranking in both spots. Here's your Yelp. Here's Wheeler's Kitchen. I don't think they were paying for ads, but I could be wrong. They're not paying for ads up there anyway. They're ranking pretty high organically. Here's another one, Lang's Kitchen. I just put them into our program that we use called Ahrefs, and I did a little analysis on them. And this is an example of what tools we use to help companies outrank their competition. So we would look at, here we would look at the number of backlinks and referring domains. So Lang's Kitchen has 239 referring domains and 4,000 backlinks. And that's a pretty good amount. So what we would look at to create a web page that would rank higher than that is to add the domains that link back to your website. That's what a backlink is. Another website that links back to you guys. And that just shows your strong presence on Google. Google crawls it. The more they see it, the higher you rank. You can also see that this company, Lang's Kitchen, is getting 5.8 thousand organic traffic. That's just the number of people that are coming there a month, just organically without ads. And that probably is because they have a high number of referring domains and backlinks and citations as well. They're also ranking organically for keywords. So these are highly searched keywords. I'll show you here for 6.5 thousand. So some of the keywords they're ranking for include keywords like kitchen island with seating. They're in position 1, modern TV wall design, position 1. And then it tells you the search volume. So the search volume for this is 65,000 a month, which is really, really high. This is probably 150, which is more average. Placement of kitchen appliances, they're ranking number 1 for that. Living room modern TV wall design, number 1 for that. It can, it goes on and on and on. There's probably about 30 pages or so, 110 pages here of all the keywords they're ranking for. The more keywords you rank for when you build a website, the higher your position on Google would be. Generally, Google likes to see a website that has about 1,500 words on the first page. I just pulled up Lang's Kitchen here, just your competition. 1,500 words. They don't have anywhere close to this. So, we could certainly create a web page that would outrank them in content. You want those keywords to be unique and relevant to your niche as well. So that's about it. I just wanted to show you guys how your competition's doing online. Like I said, if you can give me some feedback on the video, it would be appreciated. And if you're interested in learning more about Christie's Leads, let me know. And thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.